This demonstration explains the features of account settings and describes how to customize them in Seller Central. Hi, I am a Seller Central expert and would help you in customizing your account settings in Seller Central. After completion of this module, you will be able to customize the basic account settings, shipping settings, notification settings, checkout pipeline and IOPN settings, user permissions and your information and policies page in Seller Central. Ramesh, a merchant recently registered on Pay with Amazon, wants to customize the account settings in his seller account. Let us help him through this demonstration. To access the account settings, expand the Settings tab on the home page. Now, by using various options available in the Settings tab, you can customize your basic account settings, notification settings, shipping settings, user permissions, checkout pipeline and IOPN settings and information and policies settings. Let us take a look at each of the settings in detail. To access your basic account settings, select Account Info from the Settings tab on the home page. The Seller Account Information page consists of various sections. To add or update details, you need to click the Edit button found in each section. Merchants registered on Pay with Amazon may also have their products listed on Junglee.com. In such cases, if this Seller Central account is also used to upload product catalog to Junglee.com, then the merchants may use the listing status functionality to make their Junglee.com listings inactive or active. In the listing status section, the default status of your opened listings is active. You can change it to inactive if you plan to go on holidays or if you want to temporarily remove your listings from Junglee.com. Remember, if you have listings on Junglee.com, they will not be available for sale for 1 hour after you change the status. In the Seller Information section, you can enter your name and contact details so that they will be displayed to buyers on your seller profile. In the Business Address section, you can enter the address of your business. In the Place of Establishment Information section, you can enter your seller of record information, address of your business location and VAT information. In the Deposit Method section, you can enter details about your bank account. In the Company Logo section, you can add a new logo or replace an existing logo. In the Website Domain Address section, you can add your business's web address. Now, let us learn how customization of shipping settings happens in Seller Central. To access your shipping settings, select Shipping Settings from the Settings tab on the home page. The Shipping Rates and Settings page consists of 2 tabs called Settings and Shipping Templates. In the Settings tab, the Ships from Locations section displays the name of the country from which you ship your products. It is an account-level setting, which applies to all listings on your seller account. You can change the location by clicking the Edit button. In the Shipping Templates tab, the Shipping Region and Charge Templates section displays shipping time and shipping rates for all regions. By clicking the Edit button, you can create different shipping templates based on the characteristics of the merchandise and delivery region. In the Edit template, you can select the shipping model as per item/weight based or a price banded. Per item/weight based shipping fee is calculated by adding per item or per kilo fee plus a fixed charge per order, while price banded shipping fee is determined from the total cost of the order. You can also select appropriate deliverable regions and set applicable shipping rates for each model. In your seller account, you receive notifications for confirmation of each order placed, new features, promotions and selling tips, alerts for buyer claims and planned outages. Let us learn how such notifications are being set in Seller Central. To access notification settings, select Notification Preferences from the Settings tab on the home page. In the Notification Options page, you can view various categories of notifications. Let us look at each category in detail. In the Order Notifications section, you can provide your email address to receive notifications about an order, a return request and a claim. In the Listing Notifications section, you can provide your email address to receive notifications when you create a new listing or one of your listings is closed due to various reasons. In the Report Notifications section, you can provide your email address to receive notifications about your opened listings report, order fulfillment report, sold listings report and canceled listings report. In the Other Notifications section, you can provide your email address to receive notifications about business updates and technical notifications. You can also add emergency contact number for seller support to contact you during critical situations. When you first set up your seller account, only you can access its features. But as time goes by, you want others to access your account to manage your inventory or handle your shipping confirmations. To add new users and modify permissions of existing users, select User Permissions from the Settings tab on the home page. Let us learn how to add a new user in your account. Enter the email address of the user in the User Permissions page and click Send Invitation. The account manager sends an email invitation containing a link to the Seller Central to the user. At this stage, the user is an invited user. The user clicks the link and navigates to a page containing a unique confirmation code. At this stage, the user is a pending user. The user shows the confirmation code to the account manager, and the account manager approves the user and grants rights to the user. The user receives a username and password to access the system and creates his account. At this stage, the user is a current user. Finally, you can provide the user permissions to access specific features in your account. Remember, the username and password are combined together to identify a unique user account. Next, let us learn how to customize your checkout pipeline and iOpen settings in Seller Central. To access your checkout pipeline and iOpen settings, select Integration Settings from the Settings tab on the home page. In the Checkout Pipeline Settings page, you can view your merchant ID, which is added automatically to the buttons you create. Remember, a merchant ID is not the same as a merchant token because the merchant ID is used when you create checkout buttons, while the merchant token is used when you upload files using XML. In the Checkout Pipeline Settings section, you can set the Return to Page after a purchase, the page you want your customers to return to after successfully completing their order. In the Instant Order Processing Notifications Settings section, you can provide the URL of your website to receive instant order processing notifications as the orders are processed, and the URL of your integration service provider's website to send notifications as the orders are processed. You need a CGI script that can read and process notifications at these URLs. Note that the URLs have to be HTTPS enabled, that is, there should be a valid SSL certificate for the URLs. In the Order Reports Settings section, you can select the type of order report you want to download and set the frequency of order reports. Now, let us learn how to customize your information and policies settings in Seller Central. To access your information and policies settings, select your info and policies from the Settings tab on the home page. In the Your Information and Policies page, you can add custom content about your business and policies in various help pages by clicking the links available in the table. Remember, you can enter up to 10,000 characters in any of the help pages. Let us explore each help page in detail. In the About Seller page, you can introduce your business to your customers and build your brand. In this page, you can provide details such as how your business started, how long you've been around, what your company policy is, whether you have a physical store and/or how many employees you have. Remember, don't insert customer service contact information here. In the Shipping page, you can provide your shipping details in two sections. In the first section, you can describe your shipping policies, and in the other section, you can describe your shipping rates. In the Frequently Asked Questions page, you can provide answers to questions about policies or products that are not answered on your other help pages. In the seller logo page, you can upload the image of your company logo. Remember, logo images must be 120 x 30 pixels in size. Please re-upload the logo once again even if it is already present, because this is needed for it to be displayed on the co-branded Pay with Amazon checkout pipeline. In the privacy policy page, you can explain your privacy policy for the customer information that the Amazon website shares with you. Remember, don't post a privacy statement that is in violation of Amazon website policies. In the Custom Help Pages section, you can create product-specific help pages associated with existing products in your catalog. In the Returns and Refunds page, you can describe your returns and refunds policies and provide a returns label that the customer can use to return a product. The Account Info feature enables you to configure your bank account details. The Shipping Settings feature enables you to customize shipping rates, geographic regions you ship to, and service levels for each region. Notification preferences allow you to indicate if and where you would like to receive notifications and alerts. The Checkout Pipeline and iOpen settings allows you to customize your information in policies settings. You can use the User Permissions feature to allow others to access your account and manage your inventory or handle your shipping confirmations. The Your Information and Policies feature allows you to provide basic information about your business and policies. Account settings is now complete. Happy selling!